If you are publishing books on Amazon KDP, there's a sale from self-publishing titans that you may want to check out. Their 6th anniversary sale has been extended until August 31st, 2026 with special pricing on many of their popular KDP tools and lifetime products. The first tool I'd personally look at is Titans Pro, their keyword and niche research tool. It provides search volume, demand, and competition data along with real-time Amazon search suggestions. If you're serious about KDP research and can only pick one tool, this is probably where I'd start. They also have several other research tools, including the 7 backend keywords tool for finding relevant backend keywords and reverse ASIN research, which lets you investigate the keywords competing books are ranking for. These can be useful if you're trying to improve your Amazon visibility. If you publish puzzle, activity, coloring, or low content books, there are also multiple book creation tools and bundles available. And their Hot Niches Done For You product provides 30 high demand, low competition niche ideas every month, which can save you time when looking for publishing opportunities. There are also tools for building an author website, an ARC review service, and different bundles that combine multiple products. So whether you are mainly interested in research, book creation, or building a larger KDP business, there's quite a lot included in the anniversary sale. Of course, I wouldn't recommend buying a tool just because it's discounted. Look at the problems you're actually trying to solve. For me, Titans Pro is the one I'd pay the most attention to, especially if you regularly research KDP keywords, niches, and competition. The anniversary sale has been extended until August 31st, 2026. I'll leave my affiliate link below this video so you can check the current prices and see all the lifetime deals available. If you're interested, take a look before the anniversary pricing ends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.